In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Adobe Sign, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Adobe Sign or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make those necessary edits efficiently and seamlessly. First, you'll want to access a reliable web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. These are universally compatible with Adobe Sign and provide a stable platform for all your editing needs. Once you've opened your browser, navigate to the Adobe Sign website, and you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth sign-in process. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but this video assumes you already have an active subscription and are ready to go. After successfully logging in, the next step is to locate the specific template you want to modify. Upon finding your template, click on it to open the editing options. You'll notice a link labeled Edit Template in the right panel of your screen. Clicking this link will take you into the template editing mode. Within this edit mode, you're presented with several options for customization. You have the ability to change the template name and description if needed. To do this, you'll click on Template Properties. This menu also gives you control over who can use the template by adjusting permissions. It's essential to set these details according to your intentions for the template's use, ensuring it aligns with your workflow requirements. Next, let's focus on any form fields within your template, which might include signature fields, text fields, or other fillable elements. You can enter the form building environment to modify existing fields or add new ones as needed. Depending on your requirements, you may also find it necessary to delete any outdated or unnecessary fields. Taking the time to get these right will ensure your template is intuitive and effective. Now, it's time to adjust the participants, or recipients, who will be interacting with this template. Assign fields based on who needs to fill out what. This setup ensures that each participant has the appropriate access and responsibilities, facilitating a smooth signing process. Once you've made all the necessary edits and have double-checked everything, the final step is to click the Save button to apply all the changes you've made to your template. This action will update the template in your Adobe Sign account, making it ready for immediate use. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your template in Adobe Sign, all within a matter of minutes. Remember, taking the time to make thoughtful edits now will save you plenty of effort in the long run and help streamline your document signing processes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Adobe Sign tips and tricks.